Hey guys, got a real exciting one to show you today. 2016 Corvette Stingray, just over 16,000 miles. Obviously showing you a cool shot of the motor there first. Gonna work our way around, close this real nice and easy. Show you the full view of the front. Of course, it's got the awesome Corvette logo there up front. Lots of little cool things about it. Obviously the sweet red color, the dark wheels. Love the little stingrays on the side. So the door handle on the inside there. Don't know the technical term, but like a T-top, this whole roof comes out. So plenty of sunshine. Got the 7-speed manual transmission, leather seats. Me personally, if you guys know me very well, you know this is kind of out of my realm of vehicles, but I was surprised with how much room is in the trunk. Seems like lots of space for a sweet sports car. Obviously got the rear end, the exhaust coming out the back. Gonna do a little drive-off video to let you see and hear what this thing sounds like. And then obviously a cool view up the passenger side too. Great looking car, guys. If it turns you on, let us know.